Hello and welcome to the Canada for Canada Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're looking at probate in New Jersey, and in particular how easy most estates are. So in New Jersey, probate matters are handled by two courts, the Surrogate Courts and the Superior Court State of New Jersey. Let's see. Now in the typical matter, if someone has the original will, then all the executor needs to do is go to the county surrogate with the original will, death certificate, check for about $150. In most counties, what happens is the attorney will fill out the information sheet and fax it ahead of time to the county surrogate with the will, death certificate, and that way when the people get to the county surrogate, the papers are waiting for them. They show ID, they sign the papers, they pay a fee, and then the surrogate provides them with the surrogate certificates. The next thing that needs to be done is the notice of probate, which has a certification notice of probate eventually has to be filed with the county surrogate. So what happens there is the attorney for the estate typically will send a notice of probate letter to all the beneficiaries in the will, any charity or entities that are listed in the will. If there's a charity, has to serve the Attorney General's office. And also, the court rules require that a formal notice be served upon anyone that would have inherited under the will, but was omitted. So if there was no will at all. So therefore, if a child was intentionally left out, a notice has to be served upon them. Thereafter, the attorney files the notice of probate with the county surrogate. The executor then is not followed up by the county surrogate. There's many things to do, but at the end, once the assets are sold and liquidated, the attorney typically prepares what's called a release and refunding bond. The executor will prepare an informal accounting and send it to all the beneficiaries and also indicate what they're getting. The attorney then fills in the amount that people are going to get on their release and refunding bond, and that's sent to all the beneficiaries. As long as each beneficiary signs their release and refunding bond, then that's good news, because the attorney then will file the release and refunding bonds with the surrogate, and then once the filed release and refunding bonds are received, then the executor can distribute the money. However, if someone a beneficiary does not sign the release and refunding bond, then everyone has to wait 6 months, a year, because that requires that there be a formal accounting approved by the Superior Court. For other information on the Somerset County Surrogate, contact them. They're at 20 Grove Street, Somerville, New Jersey, and their phone number is 908-231-7003. And for other information on probate, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Canada for Canada's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.